Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do class 10, 6th lesson, triangles lesson, exercise 6.3, 7th question. What is the question is this? See, in this diagram 6.38, in this diagram, AD and CE, see here, AD and CE, both are the altitudes of triangle ABC. In this triangle, two altitudes are there. One is AD, one is CE. Triangle ABC intersect each other at P. This altitude intersecting at P. Now we have to prove here 4 questions given. First question, what is that? See here. AEP similar to CDP. See here. AEP, this triangle. Similar to CDP, this triangle similar, we have to prove. This is the first question. Question once again I will repeat. See, in this triangle two altitudes are there. What is the altitude? AD altitude, CP is the altitude. These both altitudes are intersecting at P. Now we will prove this triangle similar, we have to prove. Okay, see here. First question we will do. See here, this is the question. See here, which triangles we will prove similar? AEP and CDP. See here, AEP, this triangle. And next one more triangle also we will prove similar. See here, CDP. This both triangles we will prove similar triangles. See here, this triangle we have to prove similar. See here, seeing this one only we will understand. See here, in this triangle here 90 degrees there. This triangle here 90 degrees there. This triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. So one angle equal proving is over. Next, this angle both are equal. See here, this angle equal to this angle. Why? Vertically opposite angle. One angle is 90 degree. One angle is vertically opposite angles. Two angles are equal. Two angles equal means angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. So that one we have to write as a notes. Now see here, I will write here. Carefully listen. Which triangle we are taking? Triangle AEP. See here, this triangle you will see. Which triangle? AEP. See here, first we are taking AEP triangle and which triangle? CDP. CDP triangle. CDP. Both triangle we are taking. So here 90 degrees there, here 90 degrees there. So now you can write angle AEP. AEP is equal to CDP. Is equal to CDP. These both are equal. Why? Both are 90 degrees there. So these both angles are equal. Next, APE. Right here. Angle APE. This angle APE equal to CPD. Angle CPD. Both are equal. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. This reason to these two triangles are equal. See, any two triangles you are comparing means two angles equal means automatically third angle is the equal. So two angles equal proved means finished. This angle 90 degree equal. This angle vertically opposite angles are equal. So which criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles? Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangle. Write it. Triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP. Both are similar. What is the reason? Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. Only this much is the answer here. Fair notes you can use it. Okay. Now second question. Second question, what is there? Triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. See beta. Triangle ABD. See here. ABD. This triangle. ABD. This triangle. Triangle ABD similar to triangle ABD similar to CBE. Where is there? CBE triangle. This triangle. CBE triangle. These two triangles we have to prove similar triangles. See here. ABD. Where is there? ABD. This triangle and CBE triangle. These two triangles we have to prove similar. See here. ABD triangle taking means here 90 degrees there. See here. ABD triangle. Taking means here 90 degrees there. Next, what is there? CBE. CBE triangle. This triangle taking means here also 90 degrees there. Here this triangle also 90 degree and this triangle also 90 degree. This triangle taking means here 90 degree. This triangle taking means here 90 degrees there. Again you observe means see here, this triangle, angle B is the common angle. One common angle is there, 190 degrees there. Two angles equal K. Two angles equal K means which criteria we are using? Angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. See here. Now we will see and we will do. Second question, see here. What is there? Triangle ABD and triangle CBE. These two triangles we are comparing. See, these two triangles comparing means, see, this triangle. What is the common angle? B is the common angle. So, now you write angle B is equal to angle B. What is the reason? It is a common angle. Both triangles, it is a common angle. Okay. Next, what is there? Here 90 degree also chance is there. See here, first we will take ABD triangle. Where is there? ABD triangle. This triangle you are taking means here we want ABD triangle. First we will use ABD triangle. Where is the D is there? Here is there. See. ADB. This angle we want middle. ADB. Angle ADB equal to. In this one we will take 90 degree. CBE triangle. CBE triangle means here 90 is there. Middle one we want this 90. BEC. Take. Otherwise CEB. Anyway you take it. So now we are taking BEC. Angle BEC is equal to both are 90 degree. Why is given in the question. So using these two triangles are congruent triangles. Write it. Triangle ABD congruent triangle CBE. Both are congruent triangle. What is the reason? Angle. See here, this angle is equal, common angle. This is both angles are 90 degree. Two angles equal is there. Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are. See here, 90 degree common angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Now third question. AEP. See beta. AEP. This triangle. And ADB. These two triangles we have to prove similar triangles. Carefully listen which triangle. Here P is there. See AEP. This triangle. AEP triangle. Next AEP and ADB. ADB. This triangle. See here observe means. See here 90 degrees there, here also 90 degrees there is given in the question. Now see here AEP. See here this triangle and ADB this triangle. Taking means see here this part is the common angle. This triangle, this part is there, and this triangle using also this is the common angle. Next, this triangle you are taking means here 90 degrees there. Next, this triangle you are taking means here 90 degrees there. One is the common angle, one is the 90 degree. So, these two triangles are similar triangles by using angle criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. Now, we will do the sum. Carefully see here. What is their question here? Take it. Triangle, third sum. Triangle AEP. Triangle AEP. And which triangle? ADB. Triangle ADB. These two triangles you are comparing. Comparing means see what. First we will take common angle. Common angle means see here PAE. This triangle A is the common. So PAE. Write it. Angle PAE. PAE equal to BAD. This angle, middle will come angle. So angle BAD. Both are equal. What is the reason? Common angle. Common angle. Both are equal by using common angle. Next, see beta. AEP angle AEP equal to AEP equal to ADB angle ADB. Both are equal. What is the reason? Both are 90 degree. AEP here 90 degree. Next ADB here 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. So here one angle equal. Here also one angle equal. So these two triangles are similar triangle. Triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Both are similar triangle by using angle similarity criteria to both triangles are similar triangles. See it, Baba. One is common angle, one is 90 degree. By using these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. Now, fourth question. PDC, this small triangle, and BEC, this triangle, both we have to prove similar triangle. See here, beta. See here, where 90 degrees there, here 90 degrees there, and here also 90 degrees there is given in the question. So which one we will prove similar triangles? PDC. See here, I will mark C. PDC, this triangle. PDC, this triangle. Next, BEC triangle, this triangle. BEC, this triangle. Red mark I will do. Carefully see. This triangle. These two triangles we will prove similar triangles. This small triangle and this big triangle. Both triangles we will prove similar triangles. See here. First I will explain. Carefully see here. This small triangle taking means, see here. This C is the common angle. This triangle also C is the common. And this triangle also here C is the common angle. This is the common. This triangle, this is the common part. This triangle taking also, this is the common angle. Again, this triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. Next, this big triangle you are taking means here 90 degree. So one is the common angle, one is the 90 degree to these two triangles are similar triangles. Okay. See here. Which triangle we are taking? We will take. See here. Fourth question. Triangle PDC, this triangle. And which one we are taking? Triangle BEC. These two triangles we have to similar, we have to prove. PDC and BEC both we have to prove similar. See here. Try to understand. First we will take the common angle. What is the common angle is there? See here. PCD. Angle PCD equal to, see here. PCD equal to, next ECB. Angle ECB. Both are equal. See here. PCD and ECB. So this is the common angle. Both are equal. What is the reason? What is the reason? It is a common angle. Okay, common angle is over. Now we will take 90 degree. 90 degree, how you will take? This small triangle we will take. PDC. Otherwise CDP. Anyone you take. PDC. I will take. Angle PDC. It is equal to this big triangle we will take. BEC. Here 90 degree. Angle BEC. Both are equal. What is the reason? 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. So here one angle equal. Here also one angle equal. These two triangles are similar triangles. Right here. Triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Both are similar triangles. What is the reason? Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. See here. Here one common angle is there. One is the 90 degree. Angle similarity criteria to these two triangles are similar triangles. This is the fair notes. You can use it. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.